Have you ever met someone and instantly decided whether you liked them or not, without even knowing why? That's because your brain is constantly processing tiny details and making lightning-fast judgments. In fact, research shows it can take as little as 1/10 of a second to decide if someone is trustworthy. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating science behind first impressions, how they're formed, why they're so powerful, and how you can use this knowledge to create a lasting positive impact in every interaction. The brain's split-second decision, making milliseconds matter. Princeton University researchers found that people decide trustworthiness from a face in just 100 milliseconds. This rapid judgment happens in the amygdala, the brain's emotional and threat detection center. It's a survival instinct. In ancient times, quickly deciding friend or foe could mean life or death. Today, this same instinct still works in the background, scanning for clues in facial symmetry, subconsciously associated with health and genetics. Micro-expressions, those tiny facial movements that reveal emotions before someone hides them. Eye contact, too little may signal dishonesty, too much may feel aggressive. What shapes first impressions' appearance? Clothes, hairstyle, and grooming can influence perception before you even speak. Posture, standing tall, signals confidence. Slouching can signal low energy or insecurity. Tone of voice, a calm, steady tone is perceived as trustworthy. Rushed or high-pitched speech may feel anxious. Handshake, studies show a firm, warm handshake creates more positive impressions in business settings. Scent, yes, smell matters. Pleasant scents can create feelings of comfort and approachability. Example, imagine meeting two people, one dressed neatly, smiling, with open body language, and another frowning, avoiding eye contact. Even before they speak, your brain has likely decided which one feels more approachable. Why first impressions stick? Primacy effect. Psychologists say the first information we learn about someone colors how we interpret everything else. This is why, if you meet someone in a positive context, later mistakes are often forgiven. But a negative start is hard to recover from. People tend to look for confirmation of their first impression rather than changing their opinion, a bias called confirmation bias. How to make a strong first impression? Smile genuinely. It activates mirror neurons in others' brains, making them more likely to smile back. Eye contact. Aim for 3 to 5 seconds at a time. It builds trust without feeling intense. Open body language. Avoid crossed arms or legs, which can seem defensive. Speak clearly. Enunciate your words and avoid rushing. Dress for the occasion. Match your look to the context, whether it's a job interview, social event, or presentation. When first impressions go wrong, we've all judged someone too quickly, sometimes completely incorrectly. Cultural differences can also cause misunderstandings. It's important to give people the benefit of the doubt and allow a second impression. Many lasting friendships and partnerships started with awkward or negative first meetings that changed over time. The power of awareness. By being aware of how first impressions are formed, you can take control of the signals you send. This isn't about being fake, it's about letting your best qualities shine in those first few seconds. First impressions are powerful, but they're also an opportunity. Every meeting is a chance to make a connection, open a door, or start a story. So the next time you meet someone new, remember, your brain is already telling a story. Make it a good one. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow for more psychology and life tips.